These three habits are slowly killing your confidence. And you see number three, hey, all of us, we are in the same group chat. And the worst part, you don't even know you're doing it. Let's see how we can fix that. Number one, stop over apologizing. Every time you are, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. As a former I'm sorry girl, I used to say sorry for everything. Oh, sorry I'm late. Sorry I couldn't make it. Sorry I cannot help you out at this time. Like, sorry, sorry, sorry. Even for existing, I was always sorry. Don't mind me, I'm joking. And then I realized, no, I watched a video on self-confidence and I realized that I'm nowhere close to this thing. Like, I was literally shrinking myself just to make sure that every other person was okay about a particular situation or a thing that I did or I didn't do. Side note, confidence is not loud. It's ownership of yourself and your stance in a particular situation. Instead of saying sorry, I replace sorry with, I would love to help you, but I don't think I'll be able to accommodate this at this time. Simple. Or just stay silent, period. Number two, comparing your behind the scenes with someone else's highlight reel. Listen to that again. Comparing your reality with someone else's highlight reel. You're doom scrolling on social media and you see, oh, Amaka just got a new car, or Sylvia just made a trip to the Maldives, and you start complaining. Why can't this be me? Why can't I be here? Babe, listen, comparison is confidence cancer. You're on level 3 and you're comparing yourself to someone else's level 23. That's not fair on your growth. Because one time I saw an interview of Hilda Bassi, and in that interview, I think she was asked, how does she deal with competition? And what she said made me think about myself. She said, I just face my front. Just face front. Like, do you know what that means? You're always constantly looking around you, seeing what other people are doing, seeing the progress other people are making, and then you forget to watch your own progress. So in other words, there are definitely people that are going to be doing better than you, but face your front, face your own progress. And to be very honest, I used to be one of those people that always compare my progress. In fact, even till now, there are still times where I compare my progress with other people. Right now, I use my mute button like my life depends on it. If I have to unfollow you, I will unfollow you. If I have to mute you, I will mute you, because I really need to focus on my own progress. I had to make a conscious effort not to allow my jealousy to make me a witch. Jealousy is not a bad thing. We are going to talk about this in another video. If you feel jealous, it is a sign maybe this is what you want to do or this is where you want to be. It is not a bad thing. We are going to have a discussion about this in another video. But make a conscious effort to let your jealousy guide you in the right path. My dear, if you have to use your mute button, use it like your life depends on it. Curate your social media feed for inspiration, not intimidation. Number three, talking yourself out of opportunities because you feel that you are not good enough, you're not there yet, or you don't have the adequate skills, or you don't have the resources to actually take on that task or to take on that opportunity. You are losing out on a lot. What if you tried it and it worked? Your fear of being seen failing is keeping you stuck. Listen to that again. Confidence doesn't come before you take a leap. It is built from constantly doing the things that you're scared of. When I started my self-help journey, there is this book I read, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway. This book says, anytime you feel fear when you're about to take on a new task, it means you're about to take on a new level. You're about to step into a new level. And when you successfully undertake that task, you realize that the next time this kind of task or this kind of opportunity comes, you don't feel that fear. You feel more confident to take on that opportunity. Now, this cycle continues. The more you unlock, the more you're about to go a step higher, maybe in your career, in your business, the more the fear comes. So are you telling me that for someone that wants to build a career, you are going to keep being stuck in fear and not actually take a leap? The one time I stumbled on Diary of a Kitchen Lover story, and she said that she always shies away from having stage talk, all these TEDx talks and all of that, because she is scared of it. But guess who hosted an event where she met Bill Gates? Now, next time, when this kind of opportunity comes, she's more confident to undertake the opportunity. So you have to set your mind to know that the more you step into a new level, the more the fear comes. And when you take that responsibility and scale through, the next responsibility or the higher level you are going, you will still feel that fear. So if there is something you've been putting off for a long time because you are scared of doing it, it is time to do it ASAP. And this advice is also for me because there is something I am trying to do and I'm so scared, but I will do it anyways because I am scared of it. And I know that once I'm able to achieve this, it's going to be higher from here. I'm sure that next time is going to be something I will just get up and do without thinking twice. This is a simple hack. Anytime you feel fear, just tell yourself, Grace, feel the fear, but do it anyways. It's easier said than done, but you can keep repeating this to yourself until you actually believe it. So feel the fear and do it anyways. I hope you found this one helpful. If you'd like me to make that video on jealousy, just drop it in the comments and I'll make one. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.